English-Galician, to be equals.
Ser.
Quick, funny guide. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to Galician. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for notes and extras. Ready to master English-Galician, to be, that's.
Ser.
Buckle up for jokes, chants, and tiny challenges. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say who you are, where you're from, and who people are, with confidence. Goal. Learn the present forms of
Ser. Son. Ties. Ele. Ela é. É. Somos. Vos sodes. Eles son.
and use them in real mini-scenes. Forms with rhythm. Clap with me and repeat, we'll go from singular to plural. Keep your pronunciation crisp. To be.
Ser.
I am.
Son.
You are, singular.
Ties.
He is.
Ele é.
She is.
Ela é.
It is.
É.
We are.
Somos.
You are, plural.
Vos sodes.
They are.
Eles son.
Fun reminder. I cheddar.
Ser.
Myself, yes, even cheese has identity. Mini dialogues. Now, quick scenes, repeat the Galician after me. Smile, it helps memory. A. Who are you? B. I am Alex.
Son Aleix.
A. Where are you from? B. We are from Galicia.
Somos de Galicia.
A. Who is he? B.
Ele é.
The guide.
Ele é.
O guia. A. And her? B.
Ela é.
The engineer.
Ela é.
Engenheira. Pointing at a book, it is mine.
É.
Mu. At the door, you are the new neighbors, plural.
Vos sodes.
Os novos vecinos. At the stage, they are the winners.
Eles son.
Os ganhadores. Self-intro. I am a student.
Son.
Estudante. Drill and negation. Let's flip yes to no, identity style. Say it out loud with me. Affirm, he is my friend.
Ele é.
O meu amigo. Negate, he is not my friend.
Ele non é o meu amigo.
Affirm, you are from Vigo, sing.
Ties.
De Vigo. Negate, you are not from Vigo.
Ti non es de Vigo.
Affirm, we are a team.
Somos.
Un equipo. Negate, we are not tourists.
Non somos.
Turistas. Heads up, identity uses.
Ser.
For temporary states, use.
Estar.
E.g., we are ready, equals.
Estamos listos.
Closing parenthesis dot. Culture tip. A tiny trip to Galicia in your ears. On the Camino de Santiago, you'll hear identity with pride.
Son.
Peregrino, at a Celta game.
Somos.
Celestes, on a museum label.
É.
Romano, use.
Ser.
To name essence, who you are, where you're from, what something is. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll give you the solution after a beat. Translate, I am from Galicia. Answer.
Son de Galicia.
Translate. You are amazing, sing. Answer.
Tíes.
Incredible. Translate. She is a doctor. Answer.
Ela é.
Medica. Translate. It is important. Answer.
É.
Importante. Translate. We are friends. Answer.
Somos.
Amigos. Translate. You are students, plural. Answer.
Vos sodes.
Estudantes. Translate. They are from Vigo. Answer.
Eles son.
De Vigo. Wrap up. Great job. You nailed the core of identity in Galician. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Ser. Son tíes, ele, ela é, somos, vos sodes, eles son.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and exercises at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.